Welcome children. This is your mentor Mrs. Mohania. So let's continue with our chapter number 2, that is using Excel as a database. So before we move further, let's recapitulate what we have learned in our previous video. A database is a collection of information related to a particular subject. A column within a database that contains only one type of data is called field. A row in database is called record, which consists of the information about one person or one object. Field name is column label for the field in a database. A form is a window that contains numerous fields to enter, modify and view one record at a time. So children, for today we will understand what is filtering data. What actually is this? The filter feature is one of the interesting features of Excel, which helps you to display only those records that meet the specified criteria, means conditions, and hide rest of the record. That means with the help of filter feature from the whole database, from the whole record, you can view only that much part which fulfills your condition, and the rest of your database will be hidden up. Let's understand with this example. So here, this is an example from your MS Excel database. So let's understand from this example. This is the database which is created for student. Now here in this case, we'll click on any of the field. I'm clicking here in English, and then we'll go to data tab. Here on top you can see data tab. We'll click on filter option. The moment I click on filter option, you can see this small drop down boxes have come over here in front of every field name. Now these small arrows, what are this? These are the filters. Here we can choose, we can specify what actually we need, what conditions we are applying on it. So let's check this out. We'll click on the first arrow. Here this is different conditions are given to you. We will untick select all and we will choose only 82. Now here what is my condition? What is my criteria? I just want the list of children who have got 82 marks in English, and rest will not be visible. So I'll click on OK. Now here you can see only Manju, roll number 102, has got 82 marks in English. If you want your data back, so again we'll click on this and we'll say clear filter from English. So we'll get back whole data. Are you clear? Or some other option? Here we click on the filter, and so you can see the small arrows which were in front of the field names have been disappeared. So children, our next topic is using advanced filter. Advanced filter is used to filter the data in multiple fields using specified criteria to copy the filtered records to a different location or to find unique record. So here, after filtering the data based on a criteria or a condition, you can copy the filtered record to a different location. So that is a plus point. So let's understand this advanced filter with the help of example. So let's understand the example of advanced filter. Now here this is a database from a company. We have 4 fields over here. First field is name, department, designation and salary. So let's start. The first thing we will do, we will insert 3 blank rows here above this. So for that case, what you will do, just click here and you will go to home tab. In home tab, here you can see cell group. We have an option of insert. We'll choose insert sheet row. So here 1 row is entered, 1 more row, second row is inserted, and 3. So we have first, second and 3. Your 3 rows are inserted on top. Okay, next thing what you have to do, you have to select this A4, B4, C4 and D4. So I select this range. Now I'll go for a copy option and then we'll go to A1 and we'll go for a paste. So you can see the same field names are being pasted here on top. Now under this salary, I'll be writing over here 10,000. That means I want the name, department, designation of that person who are earning salary 10,000. This is my criteria. This is my condition. Only the name, department, designation of that person who are drawing salary 10,000. Fine. Now we will click here inside this box. After clicking here, we'll go for data. Here you can see advance. So I click on this advance. Here this box has come in front of me. Here we have to copy whatever outcome we will get in some other location. So for that case, I'll click on this, copy to another location. My list range is appearing here. Automatically this list is being taken A4 to D13. You can see this is A and this is 4. So A4, this is the cell address of A4 to this D13. This range is already selected. We'll go for a criteria range. Now criteria, if you are not aware like what to type in this, we'll click on this box. Fine. I have just clicked on this box here. So now I have to type here the address. In that case, I can drag my mouse. See, I will select the area and automatically the moment I select the area, see the address is coming here. Cell address will appear in this place. So that is a plus point for you if you're not able to type out here also. If you don't know what to write here, we will simply drag this mouse here. See here. Okay. Now list range, this is my list range. Criteria range, this is my criteria. And now copy to which location? I have to choose the location where I have to copy. Now how many fields are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4 fields. So we'll select here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Fine, I selected 4 field over here. Now I'll just say OK. Moment I say OK, you can see here. Let me extend this columns. Fine. Wow. Here you can see. So I have got the names Manas and Anuradha from production and purchase department. They are drawing salary of 10,000. So this is your advanced filter feature. Here you can copy the content, whatever outcome you need, that you can copy it on some other location. Okay. For today, your assignment is explain filter, explain advanced filter. So stay home, stay safe and go digital. Thank you and do subscribe the channel for upcoming videos. Thank you children.